Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of weight loss and sharing 5 proven tips that actually work. Whether you're just starting your weight loss journey or looking to shake things up, these tips are for you. So let's jump right in. Our first tip is all about what you put into your body. When it comes to achieving sustainable weight loss, one of the most powerful strategies you can implement is prioritizing whole foods. But what exactly are whole foods and why are they so crucial for reaching your weight loss goals? The majority of the natural nutrients and health-promoting qualities of whole foods are preserved through minimal processing or refinement. Consider colorful fruits and vegetables, lean meats and fish, nutritious grains like brown rice or quinoa, and healthy fats like avocado and almonds. These meals offer your body numerous health benefits in addition to being delicious. Whole foods are nutritious powerhouses first and foremost. They are packed with vital minerals, vitamins, and phytonutrients that promote general health and well-being. In contrast to processed foods, which are frequently depleted of nutrients during production, whole foods provide your body all it needs to flourish. By incorporating more whole foods into your diet, you'll naturally consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. Let us talk about hydration next. In addition to being beneficial for general health, drinking enough water can help reduce weight. Our bodies frequently confuse thirst with hunger, which encourages needless munching. By staying hydrated, you'll curb cravings, boost your metabolism, and even improve your workouts. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and consider sipping water before meals to help control portion sizes. While trying to reduce weight, many people only concentrate on cardio, but strength training is just as vital. Increasing your lean muscle mass raises your resting metabolic rate in addition to burning calories during exercise. Aim to include strength training activities in your regimen at least 2 or 3 times a week, such as lunges, push-ups, and squats. You will feel stronger and have more energy in addition to seeing improvements in your body composition. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Mindful eating is a powerful tool for weight loss. It involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, as well as the sensory experience of eating. Rather than eating quickly or while preoccupied, take your time, chew your food thoroughly, and pay attention to your body's cues. This can encourage a better connection with food and help avoid overindulging. A word of caution before making significant changes to your diet: it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. Finally, and most definitely not least, sleep plays a critical role in weight loss. Sleep deprivation can interfere with hormones that control appetite and hunger, causing desires to worsen and weight gain. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of great sleep each night by maintaining a regular bedtime schedule, furnishing your bedroom with calming elements, and setting aside time for sleep. You will feel rejuvenated and prepared to take on your weight loss objectives when you wake up. And there you have it, 5 proven weight loss tips that actually work. Remember to prioritize whole foods, stay hydrated, incorporate strength training, practice mindful eating, and get adequate sleep. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.